First rain or forest rain? That's a difficult choice. First rain is a scent of pure petrichor. पहली बारिश के बाद जो मिट्टी की खुशबू होती है, that's first rain. And forest rain is petrichor and the rain going through the forest. It has notes of cedar, citrus, and amber woody notes done together along with petrichor. So if you want to wear something that brings in that pure joy of petrichor, पहली बारिश की खुशबू, wear first rain. And if you want that fragrance to extend into a whole forest, wear forest rain.